Your immune system is like a personal security guard for your body, protecting you from viruses, bacteria, and all sorts of health threats. But here's the thing, if you don't give it the right support, it can get weak over time. The good news? You can strengthen it every single morning with simple, natural drinks you can make in minutes. In this video, we're sharing 3 morning drinks that not only taste great but also supercharge your immune system and keep you feeling strong all year long. Warm lemon water with honey. Number 1, warm lemon water with honey. This is a classic for a reason. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, one of the most important nutrients for fighting off colds and infections. Honey brings more than sweetness, it has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the throat and promote healing. Drinking this first thing in the morning helps flush out toxins, wake up your digestion, and prepare your body to fight illness. Just squeeze half a fresh lemon into a cup of warm water, add a teaspoon of raw honey, stir, and enjoy. Green tea. Number 2, green tea. It's been enjoyed for centuries in many cultures, not just for its flavor but for its incredible health benefits. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and help reduce inflammation, a major factor in weakened immunity. It also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that supports brain function and helps you stay calm and focused. Replace your regular morning coffee with green tea a few times a week, and you'll still get a gentle energy boost without the jitters or caffeine crash. For best results, brew it fresh and drink it without sugar. Ginger turmeric tea. Number 3, ginger turmeric tea, also called golden tea. Ginger is known for its warming, anti-inflammatory properties and is especially helpful for fighting respiratory infections and soothing an upset stomach. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a natural immune booster that helps your body respond better to infections. To make it even more powerful, add a pinch of black pepper. It increases your body's ability to absorb curcumin by up to 2000%. For a simple recipe, boil a cup of water, add thin slices of fresh ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a pinch of black pepper. Let it simmer for a few minutes, then strain and enjoy. Boosting your immune system doesn't have to be complicated or expensive, it can be as simple as changing what you drink in the morning. Warm lemon water with honey for a refreshing vitamin C boost, green tea for antioxidants and calm focus, and ginger turmeric tea for anti-inflammatory power. Try one of these tomorrow morning and see how you feel. If you make it a habit, your immune system will thank you for years to come. Which one will you try first? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss our next health tip.